That's number 2 of pie.
Yeah, like a little homo.
No, that's number 2. I'm gonna try 360s.
Oh, come on. No, hurry the fuck up, nigga. I gotta go fucking do something. Do a little jerky. Boom, boom. Hiding Annie sitting in a free Fucking. First comes love, second comes marriage and the baby carriage.